Peace doesn't always come in grand awakenings. It doesn't arrive like lightning or crash through your life like a storm. Peace often comes quietly in the smallest choices you make every day. The habits no one notices, the shifts that happen behind closed doors. We often believe transformation has to be massive, a total life overhaul, a dramatic change, a sudden awakening. But the truth is far simpler and far more sustainable. Big change lives inside small habits, tiny rituals, intentional moments, repeated softly until they become who you are. You don't need to change everything at once. You just need to change one small thing consistently. It's not about intensity. It's about integrity. About what you choose when no one's watching. About what you repeat, even when you don't feel like it. That morning glass of water isn't just hydration. It's a message to your body. You matter. That one mindful breath before checking your phone isn't just calm. It's a boundary between your soul and the noise. That decision to go for a short walk, to clean one small corner, to say no when your body screams yes. That's not small. That's sacred. Small habits aren't about productivity. They're about alignment. Peaceful living begins when your daily actions support the life you say you want. Not perfectly. Not rigidly. But gently. Consistently. Honestly. You don't need a 20-step morning routine to feel whole. You just need a few non-negotiables that ground you. A quiet cup of tea without a screen. 5 minutes of stillness. A moment of intentional breath. One kind word to yourself. These aren't just routines. They're anchors. They keep you steady when the world pulls you in every direction. When life feels chaotic, we often look for one big fix. But most peace is created in repetition, not resolution. You don't become peaceful overnight. You become peace by choosing it. One breath, one boundary, one moment at a time. And yes, you will forget. You'll fall out of rhythm. You'll slip back into old habits. That's okay. Because returning is also part of the practice. Every time you come back to your center, you strengthen it. Every time you repeat the habit, you reinforce the life you're creating. So today, don't aim for perfect. Don't try to do it all. Just choose one small habit and let it root deeply into your life. Make your bed, not to be productive, but to show yourself that order is possible. Stretch your body, not to reach goals, but to remind yourself you live in it. Speak gently, not to please others, but to build a kinder world, starting within. Because peace isn't something you wait for. It's something you practice. And the practice begins now. In this moment, in this breath, in this next small, sacred choice.